all of our competitors have released stats like this also for the past year. Oh, it's barely helping. It's barely helping enterprises. And we realize like it's actually an implementation problem because we have the amazing situation of working with so many startups. So many of the fastest growing, best engineering teams, we're able to see how they use AI. And we see it's not just like a 10% lift. It's like 200, 300. Now we're seeing like people move 8x as fast as what they were doing last year. But this only comes from like working with those kind of companies.
And, again, from my perspective, I'm biased, but I can't imagine why someone wouldn't use this. It's like when product analytics came out and Mixpanel was a new tiny startup. You'd be like, oh, well, why wouldn't you do analytics on your product? How do you know what's going on? I feel like this is that type of product category where if you're not tracking effectiveness of AI and doing model routing, like it seems about as silly as not using analytics, right? Like
I think so. I almost put the people that are like still extremely opposed as like the old school artists. They just don't want to get with the times right now. They want to have the craft of engineering or the craft of AI.
Think about it. Non-web products don't have real-time product analytics. Like Apple doesn't either. So I would argue the same craftsman mentality that goes into designing native iPhone apps and designing new version of iOS, they don't actually get real-time product analytics. So I think it's a very like type of person, I guess that doesn't really believe in product analytics versus A/B testing everything, measuring everything is very Google type mentality.
Yeah, actually, it's like one of the, I'll say, inspirations once we started going down this path is finding out that Meta and Google both have these products internally they use a ton. And even those, they're not great from what we've seen, but they get the job done. And clearly there's like a real need for it.
That's great. So I'd love if you could share some case studies. I know you have a lot of great customers and are growing fast. Is there anyone you want to call out of how they've used your product and the benefit?
Yeah,